All right, so we are in Maya 2022.3, but the coolest thing about it, it came out in 2022.2, was this little button down here. This is a search feature. So if you're new to Maya, if I click this, I can just start typing. Let's say like, oh, I forgot where multicut was. So I can just start spelling that out, and then I have the ability to click. Automatically, it has put me into the multicut tool. Let's demonstrate that with some geometry. I'm gonna hit the search button. Now, instead of search, I can press Control F, so it's much faster. And multicut's already there, but if I were to start spelling out multicut, bam, I am on the multicut tool. That's super, super cool, super, super helpful, especially for new students, just new people inside of, so let's look for something else. Your instructor, your teacher might say, hey, don't you remember the bend modifier? So that's under rigging, deform, nonlinear, bend. So let's see if this is actually going to speed up our workflow, or at least that way we don't have to remember all those steps to go find it. So let's go add some subdivisions here. And let's do our Control F and let's type in bend. All right, bend right here. Let's hit bend, and then let's actually see if this is working. Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and rotate this, grab that curvature. Looky there. So super, super helpful. So really, it's super, super helpful for you to just find things. If you know what they're called, you can just search for them, boom, immediately know where they are.